How to fix Snapchat EP ban on your Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just follow and watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open settings of your phone. Then you will go directly to apps or applications and you will search here for Snapchat. When you found Snapchat like this, just open it and go to storage. And on storage guys, you have to go to clear data, then click OK and go back and go to first app and click OK. And now you have to open your Wi-Fi and turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, and your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. I'll see you in another video.